Frontier Communications is rolling out 2 gig speeds across its existing fiber optic network, which currently spans 6 states, including Texas, Florida, California, Indiana, West Virginia, and Connecticut, via light reading. The plan comes with symmetrical 2 gig downloads and uploads for $149.99 per month, along with the free installation of a Wi-Fi 6E compatible router and extender. The first 1,000 WHO sign-up get a free Amazon Fire TV. Frontier is offering a free 43-inch Amazon Fire TV and Logitech webcam for the first 1,000 customers who sign up, but it's not clear if you'll be getting the Omnior 4 Series Fire TV, and it's just as vague about the Logitech webcam. The company is holding a promotion for its $79.99 per month single-gig fiber plan as well, in the form of a $200 Visa reward card, Eero Pro 6 router, and a Wi-Fi extender. A number of communications companies have already started to go beyond the 1 gigabit per second threshold when it comes to fiber. Last month, at 2 gig and 5 gig plans, priced at $110 per month and $180 per month, respectively. Xfinity also has a 3 gigabits per second plan for a pricey $299.95 per month, and Verizon has a 2 gig $119 per month plan for New York City residents only. Meanwhile, Google Fiber's $100 per month 2 gig plan still remains the cheapest of the multi-gig. In 2020, Frontier filed for bankruptcy and blamed an underinvestment in fiber deployment as a reason for its financial struggles. According to Ars Technica, most of Frontier's fiber connections at the time were actually installed by Verizon, as the company purchased Fios operations in California, Texas, and Florida in 2016. The company currently offers service in 25 states and added 45,000 new fiber customers in the last quarter of 2021. As great as fiber optic sounds, it's still just a fantasy for many of us who aren't cornered in specific areas of the U.S. And while faster fiber is great in all, it'd be nice to have some more cables laid down so more of us can gain access. Top of comments.